Project descriptions. Nanostructured solar devices. Solar cells represent one of the most promising alternative energies for the Philippines due to its relative abundance, portability, scalability, and environmental profile. A collaborative research program involving the Ateneo de Manila, De La Salle University, and the University of the Philippines is being supported by DOST, which will focus on the development of solar cells based on solid-state nanomaterials and dye-sensitized materials. Abstract. The Philippine Department of Science and Technology or DOST formally recognized nanotechnology as a R&D priority in 2009 with the formation of a multidisciplinary group which was tasked to formulate the roadmap for the development of nanotechnology in the country. The document entitled Nanotechnology Roadmap for the Philippines identified 5 key sectors for application of nanotechnology. In the prioritization of projects, a scoring system was developed which included the following criteria: environmental and health hazard and risk, priorities of the UN Millennium Development Goals, Philippine priorities, existing capabilities and required investment. 3 areas were initially identified as flagship areas for R&D support. A number of nanotechnology R&D projects on this priority have been funded by the DOST. Go. Although it seems that there is an inevitability to the development of nanotechnology, many ask whether there are opportunities for developing countries in nanotechnology. The question that is often asked is nanotechnology only for the rich? Can we use nanotechnology in a developing country?